Welcome to Tech Captain with another interesting video. It's no secret that Siri, Apple's virtual helper on iOS and macOS, hasn't been able to keep up with its rivals. Despite a glimmer of hope at Apple's WWDC event in June, the tech giant has remained tight-lipped about when exactly the upgrade to Siri would make an appearance. But now, Bloomberg journalist Mark Gurman has revealed when we should expect the new version of Siri to land on our devices. And it doesn't sound like it's going to be anytime soon. According to Gurman's latest Power On newsletter, we could be waiting until early next year for the new features. That's a longer wait than expected. Gurman previously reported that several of Siri's new abilities would not make it in time for the likely release of iOS 18 in September and would instead launch at some point in 2025. And now he may have spilled the beans on Apple's schedule, noting that Siri features are likely to go into beta testing for developers in January and then debut publicly around springtime, part of an iOS 18.4 upgrade that's already in the works. This delay means that we may not see anything until March or April, possibly even as late as May. The schedule outlined in Gurman's report refers to some of Siri's new abilities, such as the ability to control features within apps for the first time, and Siri's contextual understanding. While we won't have to wait until next year for every new feature, Siri's core abilities, such as its redesign and integration of ChatGPT into iOS, among other things, won't be with us for at least another 6 months, if not more. This approach can be frustrating for users, but it's likely the right one. Apple prefers to wait until it feels that it's nailed a new feature, rather than hurry it out the door before it's ready, given how desperately Siri needs a major overhaul. This approach is probably the right one. After all, we wouldn't want to wait years for Siri to catch up, only to find it's rushed and unfinished. After all of Apple's WWDC hype, here's hoping the wait is worth it. Do subscribe for more updates.